Hey everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feedfeed, and today we're with our friends at GE Profile to share with you a super easy pantry staple recipe. These are oatmeal granola cookies. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just get our dry goods together. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You could use cinnamon, you could use cloves, you could use allspice, you could use pumpkin spice, whatever warm spices you have on hand. All right, let's make some cookie dough. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and to that I'm going to add in 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. And then I'm just going to start to work this together until I have a nice smooth paste. What I want to do is look for any lumps of brown sugar and make sure I break those up. To this, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs and add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to get that nice and well incorporated. It's important to have your eggs at room temperature as well. If they are cold, it will seize up the butter, and then you won't be able to get that super smooth dough you're looking for. We are going to add in our dry ingredients, fold this all together. Again, you do not want to overmix your dough. This is kind of the moment in which I'm going to add in the rest of our ingredients. 1 cup of dried fruit and 1/2 cup of nuts. Mix and match to your heart's desire. Here's our dough. I'm gonna scoop it now. We are going for this size, little balls of dough. I'm gonna chill it before we bake it, just to kind of really make sure they stay nice and thick and gooey when we bake them. I'm gonna pop them into a 350-degree oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. This is the best morning snack or dessert you can have. I'm telling you, it's got this like really beautiful crisp exterior and the center is so soft and chewy. It's like a granola bar, but also a cookie, half and half. I'm really into it. If you want the recipe, you can head to thefeedfeed.com, and a huge thanks to GE Profile for outfitting Feedfeed Brooklyn's test kitchen with GE Profile smart appliances. I'll see you next time.